Hi class, it's Miss Torres and I'm going to walk you through how to use my Google Classroom. So when you first join the class, this is what your screen should look like, and you can make your way on over to classwork up here, which I like better because you're able to see all the assignments in order. So we start with the welcome topic. We have the interactive panel where you'll be able to access a couple of things. So up here on the whiteboard, you are able to click these 5 items. The first one will be the Google Classroom video, which I am recording right now if you need to go back and review how to use it. The second one will be the YouTube video to my Storybook Mashup, which you can access by clicking there. And then following it, I have the questions that will go to the storybook. On the bottom left corner, you will have access to my 2-minute lesson plan on YouTube, as well as a Google Slides of my coat of arms. Going back to Google Classroom, you're able to access all those things here as well. So in this welcome area, I will have this video linked. I also have my 2-minute lesson video, the coat of arms, the Storybook Mashup, which I have all 3 parts right here. You're also able to access all 3 parts by clicking here. The only difference is that I have it set in a playlist on this link, so I tried to make it easier, but in case you can't find all 3 parts on the Google slide right here, I do also have all 3 parts right here for you to find it, and then the Google Forms for the question quiz of the story that I read. And then the second topic I have is for my lesson. We have our second interactive panel, which you can access like the first one. And we have the Google Lesson Plan slides. So here you will have access to the whole lesson, all of the slides, and then you have the matching game, which is also found on the slides, the assessment, which is the last page on the slides, which I also included as its own so you could find it easier, as well as room for your evaluations. And then here you'll be able to find the YouTube video recording of my lesson plan, as well as my lesson plan template and the assessment piece, which is the learning menu that I created for you guys, and then another area for your feedback, which you will be able to type in a short answer to the question. Alright, thank you guys. Let me know if you have any more questions.